All right, let me see. Answer some more questions. It's almost 2 hours, guys. So I'm gonna finish this out. Maybe I'll do like a speed round. I'm gonna go through this. Wow, this is crazy. I'm getting so many people contacting me. That's wild. Larry, thank you for that $20, man. I really appreciate you. He says, appreciate the candid conversation. I know this isn't a political show, and I certainly and certainly not my aim with my question, but I believe that having a space like this and having an open conversation and knowledge sharing is critical. Yeah, I agree, and I really did not want to talk about politics at all. I didn't want to bring it up. I didn't want, because there's people's are in their feelings about it, and I understand, right? There's a lot riding on it. It does affect people's livelihoods. It does affect people's life. But what my main thing is what I want to say is that whether you're so happy that this person won or so sad that your person lost, your focus should be on the main thing that you impact, which is your own life. You are the master of your own fate. It's not based off of the administration who's in office. That's the whole point of this. It's not based off of the administration. It's based off of your actions, your skills. So keep going. It's not the end of the world. And that it's I wanted to demonstrate that by telling you I have been doing this 20 years, and it's across 6 administrations now, across COVID-19, 9/11, divorces, wars, and all this stuff. This career has continued to deliver for me. I'm not saying that I don't have problems, right? I'm not saying that my life is perfect. I'm not a millionaire, but I could tell you this, I have stability. And regardless of who's in office, regardless of it's winter, if it's summer, if it's fall, this career path has allowed me to have stability that I can pass on to my family, that I can pass on to other people. And I'm telling you that this is not the end of the world, right? An administration is like dust in the wind. It's gonna be gone. It comes and it goes. You sometimes your team wins and you're happy, and then sometimes your team loses. So our team lost. I'm messing around. All right. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you so much. There's so many great questions here. And I'm still working towards doing a community so we can continue to talk, because I can see, oh my Lord, there's so many people. Man, thank you guys so much for all of your comments and stuff. I was really expecting to get on here and get bombarded by a bunch of trolls, and I'm so happy that there's so many positive minded people about their money and their business that are on here chatting and talking and stuff. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. This is definitely an awesome community. I want to expand it. Um, this is really cool. I got some stuff coming really soon that I'm gonna be. Please stay tuned. I'm gonna be announcing like a community. I'm building it right now, so we can just talk and talk and talk, and then have those things come on the show.